What's up guys, welcome to the video. In today's video we are going to learn on how to build great amazing looking cards like this. Here we have our title tag and we have the description below. Beneath we have our button tag. So I'm going to show you how to create this in just a second. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, even give a thumb up to this video if you like the video, and please share with your friends if they are trying to get into web design. So head on into our paints here and I will show you on how the structure is gonna look like. So here we are going to have a container for our cards, and in this container we are going to have the images. Beneath it will be a head title, and below it is gonna be a description, and in there will be a button. Here will be a button. So this will be the format of what we are going to create and how we are going to structure and give it divs. So let's head up into our Visual Studio Code. I use Sublime Text, or let me just open the browser here. Get rid of that. Let's open the browser here. Yes, just like this. So in here we'll write our code in the HTML and autocomplete. Here will be a title description, how to build cards for our website. Just like that. And beneath here we're going to write a div. We'll give it a class of cards, just like this. So inside here we're going to have another div called image, just like this. So beneath this we have a container, which is this, and inside we have our image. So we're gonna write a title, give a div class of title, title tag code, and beneath we have it another div class of description. And in this description we'll have a button. You can write whatever you want to write in the button. So write read more, just like this. So in here our body, like this. Okay, so in our body we'll give it a image tag, so remember you got to target the folder where your images are. Here are my images, so I'll just write a dot slash image of slash cards, because in the card folder slash images slash the card name, mine is card1.jpg. So we'll just refresh this and see how it looks like. As you can see, here's how it looking on our browser. So in our HTML we'll still give an h2 here for our title. So right here, Gomorrah, and beneath here will be our p tag. So right here, write your description here. Your description here. So let's refresh, and you see this is how it's looking like. So I know you guys will love the way it's looking like. So head up into our CSS and let's give the universal code of margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, just like that. So head up into our HTML and copy the cards, and we do a dot like this, and just like this, and we write a width of 20% and a background of, say, black. So refresh it and see how it's gonna look like. It doesn't work. Cards. Oh, sorry, we haven't yet linked our CSS to our HTML. That's why it didn't work. So give it a link. So in here we write style.css. Oh, yes, style.css, and you see it works. So we'll copy this and just paste down below, and in here we're gonna write our image. I will change this from 20% to 100% and get rid of this dark background. So let's save and refresh. As you see, it reduces. But why our text is not our text is not showing here because it's already in black. So we'll just change that in a bit. So we'll copy our title tag, and beneath here we'll paste it like this, and we'll give it a color of white like this, and we'll put it to the center. We'll center it, text align center, and yes, text align center. As we refresh it, you see it comes here. But I don't really love the font of what the browser is giving us, so we'll just change the font. We give it a body and give it a font family of Arial like this, and we see it changes. So we'll do the same for our description. So just copy this and remember, give it a dot is for class and the #1 ID. So just paste it there and write the p tag, and write here a font size of 14 pixel. The color should be a little bit slider than the heading tag, so give here an F1 just like that, and we will text align it to the center, just like this. You save and refresh. As you can see, here is it. So we'll copy this again. No, so we'll just give our button. We'll just style our button because I don't really love the way it's looking right now. So let's start our button. So we'll say border none. Sorry. Border none. A background of white. Color should be dark. That's black. color should be dark. Then we'll give it a margin. Yes, and it's looking good. So we'll give it a padding of 10 pixel, 14 pixel, like that. So we'll give it that hover effect. Copy this, paste down here, give it a hover effect. So take all of this off and give it a background of black when hover on, and the color should be white. Save and refresh. As you can see, here's it, but I don't really feel the color black, so we'll change that in a few. So let's just give here, let's hover a gray color, and we'll move this to 30. Save and refresh, just like that. So head out into our cart here and give it a padding bottom of 10 pixel. See a space between. I really want a space between the heading text, the p tag, and the button. So those come beneath right here, the text, and write a padding bottom of 5 pixel. Save and refresh. You can see a little bit of space has been given beneath. So in our cards here, we'll write a margin of 40 pixel, 20 pixel, 40 pixel, to move it like just like that. So in between here, we're gonna give it a border radius of 10 pixel. As you can see, it curves from beneath. So this one isn't curving. I'll show you that in a bit. So come beneath that image, you write a border top right radius of 10 pixel. So we will copy this and paste it down here and change this to left, so save and refresh. As you see, it curves this around there. Our button isn't really centered, so we'll just do that in a bit. Div 35. Yes, it looks centered right now. So we'll just head up into our HTML, and this will copy this and paste it. So we'll give paste for codes. So we paste like that. So I'm just, for this video tutorial, I'm just pasting three trace like that, and we'll just change the images and the title. You can change that. So I'll just change here 2 and 3. Here I'll write Philip and say Julian, and save and refresh. Here goes Gomorrah, Philip, Julian. So I don't really love it being lowercase. So head up into our Visual Studio and give here a text in the description section, a text transformation of capitalize. Copy the same code and paste it in our heading tag, just like this. So save and refresh. As you see, it becomes capitalized. So I don't really love the way it's looking right now, so let's make it So we come here to the cart section and write it a display of inline block, just like this, and voila, just like this. So these cards really look amazing. So I've come to the end of this video, guys. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to drop a like, please subscribe, and share with your friends who want to learn more about web design. Thanks for watching. Peace.